Welcome back to Product Critique, where we uncover the best solutions for your home needs. Today, we're diving into a game changer for bathroom renovations. If you're tired of dingy walls and ceilings, this product is your answer. Introducing the NADAMOO Tub and Tile Refinishing Kit. With its easy-to-use formula and professional-grade results, this kit is revolutionizing DIY bathroom makeovers. Minimal smell, and great results. That's the verdict from satisfied customers like our friend here. Now let's dive into what makes this kit stand out. First off, it's a two-component formula, consisting of a water-based acrylic paint and hardener. Say goodbye to offensive smells and hello to a fresh, breathable bathroom. Next, it's incredibly easy to apply. Simply mix part A and part B, then roll or brush it onto the surface. With proper preparation, you'll achieve a seamless, semi-gloss finish in no time. And speaking of coverage, each set covers about 50 square feet for 2 coats. That's impressive value for your money. Now, let's talk about curing. After 24 hours, your surface will be dry to the touch. But here's the key. Wait a full 7 days for maximum hardness before using hot water. It's worth the wait for long-lasting results. So there you have it, folks. The NADAMOO Tub and Tile Refinishing Kit is your ticket to a fresh, rejuvenated bathroom without breaking the bank. Say goodbye to dingy walls and ceilings, and hello to your new oasis. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more home improvement tips and tricks. Until next time, happy renovating!